name is Kelly Halpin, for those who do not know me. I'm the General Manager of Lexus Northern Kentucky. This is such a blessing to be here and have such a turnout. I just wanted to take a minute to thank you all for coming. Thank the staff that came out here today to help put this together. And I wanted to introduce our owner, Shane Dever.
Well, good evening, everybody. How are we doing tonight? What do you guys think about the store? Welcome to the grand opening Performance Lexus Northern Kentucky. And we designed this thinking of really one group, and that's you all, our guests. Our first month is in the books, and we were nervous about it. I think we had some transition issues, as you'd expect, moving from one store to the other, and opening a new business at the other location as well. But I'm happy to report we had our best new car sales month in the history of this store.
Congratulations, Mike and Shane. Beautiful facility.
First of all, I just want to follow up on a couple of things that Shane said. I want to thank him and Mike for the investment. I spent 6 years here and I enjoyed every minute of it, and it definitely was a big part of this. It's been great to see you take the leadership role in the organization, and what you've done in this investment is unbelievable. If any of you have ever worked with us, our most important customers are dealers. It's not just talk.
When we recognize milestones within the dealer journey, one of those milestones is the presentation of the Katana sword. And with that, Shane, I would like to present the Katana sword, symbolizing that partnership and strength of this dealership and the community that you serve. So, Shane.